This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anthony Bernosky. Beautifully appointed Summerwood floor plan, with over $150,000 in builder design option upgrades, heated pool and spa, raised ceilings, and more. The owners have added over $45,000 in additional improvements, including a whole house generator, hurricane shutters, hurricane glass front windows and entry door, landscaping and lighting, window treatments, garage overhead storage, and more. This great lakefront home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, den, full kitchen with quartz countertops and central island. Winding Cypress offers natural gas. Enjoy the great amenities at Winding Cypress, including a full resort clubhouse with restaurant and bar, heated pool, tennis, pickleball, and even a community garden with fresh veggies and herbs. Winding Cypress is centrally located, a short drive south to the white sand beaches of Marco Island and west to all the activities of downtown Naples. The community is located near shopping, restaurants, grocery stores, and medical facilities. Welcome to Winding Cypress, your piece of paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Bernosky at 239-259-1207.